In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a meeting activity, fill in the key details, link it to the right records, and save it so it appears where you expect it to in Pipedrive. Start by opening the specific place where this meeting belongs. From your Pipedrive dashboard, head to Deals or Contacts and open the deal or the person that the meeting is about. Choosing a deal is great when the conversation is tied to a sales opportunity, while choosing a person works well for a general touch point. Either way, you'll land on the detail view of that record. Inside this view, look for the activity area. Click Activity, then click the plus Add Activity button to begin creating something new. This is where you'll define what kind of interaction you're planning. When the activity types appear, select Meeting. You'll see other options like Call or Task, but choosing Meeting ensures you get meeting-specific fields like location or a video link, and it helps your calendar stay accurate. Next, set your date and time. Pick the meeting date from the calendar, then add your start and end times. It's a good idea to double-check that the duration makes sense for the agenda you have in mind, and confirm your time zone so the timing is correct for everyone involved. Now, add the meeting details. Give the meeting a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to recognize at a glance. If you have context to share, add it in the description field. This can include an agenda, goals, or topics to cover. For where you're meeting, type the physical location or paste in a video conferencing link so attendees can join easily. If it helps with your workflow, set a priority level to highlight urgency, and add any notes you'll want to reference during the conversation. Before saving, confirm the meeting is linked to the correct records. Make sure the right person, organization, and deal are selected. If you started from a deal or a contact, these fields often populate automatically, but it's worth a quick check. Proper linking keeps your timeline clean and your reporting accurate. When everything looks good, click Save. Your meeting is now created and will appear in your activities, as well as on the deal or contact timeline you linked it to. You can always open it later to review the details or make adjustments if plans change. Thanks for watching.